Alright, Khandy, you win the series. You win the series. I'll see you. When I see you, Jesus. You roll on, make him out bring water though.
Mama feel sticky. Boy, hot girl! Pussy clot, hot girl. Too love. Pussy clot, mama. Baby face, jerk Quincy girl, Liz. Sherry, little Bill, shot chin. Blah, blah, blah. Ah!
Clock.
That one me wicked, me pussy clot. My vagina big. Ah, ah.
Alright, Khandy, I'll see you when I see you. I'll see you.
Don't fuck up.
Oh,
Don't fuck up. You
you
have
win
to
the
be a
series. Listen, you hear me?
You
You
have
hear
to
me?
be a dear Hauto.
No, no. You win the series. The series done. I 7 match that.
Hauto.
You win. Hey,
Hauto, you lose. Watch out, no member say no. Member is not like a normal dear game we are play where if I one left, you cut. It's a series we are do. We
First to
are to see,
7.
no, yes, but you have to do your fucking dear because you lost.
Alright, you want me talk now? So
Me
we
nah
can
make you
talk one
talk, and what
time.
you talk to no make no sense.
Well, it not make no sense to you.
Hauto,
You gonna listen to me or you gonna talk? Which
go
one?
on,
Come we listening up.
go on.
I am saying it's first to 7 and you have won the 7 matches. Congratulations.
Yes?
Now, that last day you did not do my dear, so hence I ain't gonna do your dear. I
The
say
fuck
what me
you
dear.
mean me no dear Hauto?
Hey, watch your fan before I spit out the blood
Me
clot
ask
roll
you
on.
so
Where I
much.
tell you say?
So Hauto, all along you never see me with the roll on in my mouth or chew before me spit it out.
Watch out!
Hauto,
Hey!
hold on, just stick a little opinion, man.
Hey!
Hold on, my friend, man. Hold on,
Hey!
Hauto, hold on.
Hey, hold on,
Hold
power.
on, remember when me give you when me give you the yeah man, hold on. Remember when me give you the bumbo clot sitting there, you spit out it, you know.
What?
The something there, the vinegar. You spit it out. See him like how you spit out the fucking onion. See him like how you spit out the onion. You spit out the
Me
vinegar.
spit out onion.
The bumbo clot,
Can't make a team tell a fucker.
you
Can't make
cocky
a team.
little ass stink.
Can't make a team tell a fucker about me spit
Alright.
out onion. Me did spit out onion.
Go on.
Alright, let's come on.
Later.
Good way.
Me nah say nothing. Me nah say nothing. I wanna go talk about me and fear. When me I do the all of the fucking dear them. See him like how him spit me bumble blood clot spit. You never saw him a spit up a place. When me give him the onion first, him spit it out. Me no say nothing. Me move on. Sheeshe.
Where you been at, boo?
Me not talk to you. I just come to say one much. You get too much bun now.
Wait. Why you not talking to me, boo?
Because you have too much woman. You have too much woman now. And you disrespect me in the streets. You disrespect me in the streets.
I would never disrespect you.
Ridimando, rakabanda, likidando, likipakatando, likidingbando.
But I tell you about doing that shit in the spring.
Sakamanda, bikibangdata, bikibinduke, rakatawa, numata, wega, dakatawa,
What did I tell you about that shit?
I don't care. You're not moving good. You're not moving good. I don't like all people calling up my name in the streets saying, I get in bun, I get in bun, I get in bun. Sheeshe giving me bun, giving me bun. And then all these lady name, Zuri she, and Anna she, and this she. Everybody got she on their last name. I don't like that. Guys, yeah, cute though.
Y'all, we need 4 different people to get 1 rose, y'all. We need 4 roses, y'all.
Yeah, we don't like that.
I've been chilling.
No,
I haven't been doing all that. I've been chilling. Yo.
What am I tell me? What that they answer to me say?
What whatever the chat's saying is lies.
No, they
Y'all,
think that
going to
just
double
something
check.
about body.
Want to double check. Y'all, we need the adventure journey. We need the adventure journey gifts, y'all. We need the VR.
Guys, me I tell you, me really appreciate every single thing you want to do. I not tell you to come out, guys. I appreciate. But this time I gonna make one video. One time I done the live and everything and clean up. I said I gonna make one video because me I tell you, say dog. Danubian, me I tell you, girl. You nyam. Start by the haters, nyam. Secure no nyam. Walla uno guys, walla uno. From down to the people them we just can't send a rose. From the people them we can't tap me, I tell you no nyam. Brother, me I tell you no fuck up something because guess what now? Member say no. Brother, Hauto team and a normal team there, no. And me I tell you say, right back at you, me girl. Yeah, thank you very much. I not tell no lie. We mash up something. We mash down something. I not tell no lie. No go on good. I really appreciate you know. I appreciate you know 100 million, fillion, trillion, killion, lillion, pillion, alien, shillion, billion, killion, lillion, billion, flillion%. Yeah. Me restricted, not true. Why? Why them do me that? Me not do nothing, no stand up, me stand up. Them a say must some about behavior or something like something. Bodily conduct or something like that. Them a tell me. Me not understand what them a tell me say a while ago. Right now, my chair full of air. I can barely sit down. I go sleep. But clap, me a jump for 2. Watch out, we are number 70 we are come from. We are number 10 right now. We no angle that. Yeah, we no angle that. Me just go and play 2 bang match, you know. Listening now, me I tell you say, you know, say me dey on Anna live one time, but them not understand. Me and Anna, we always go back and forth, you know. But you know, so one of my people, them like one of my followers, them send me one screenshot of one lady was saying in the comments say she a try to report me live, but it's not working. She a try to report me live. Them some of the friend people, them not understand. See, I just saw. You understand what I say? Them want to report, them want to do the most, brother. See, woman in the comments, I said she a try to report me live and it not working, you know. I reported her many times and it's not working. But still, I probably have all the screenshots.
Candy.
Yeah.
So how long you gonna be mad at me?
Huh?
How long you gonna be mad?
Always mad. Always. Like mad like this.
Why? Don't do that. Don't do that to your face. Don't do that to your face. All right, y'all. We need to go in a snipe, y'all. We can snipe this down.
Guys, you know what to snipe?
We just need 4 goggles, y'all. 5 people to give a goggle in the live go, y'all. 5 goggles, chat. If we all go in, we all go in.
Them go come in, them go snipe. Them go snipe up. Me don't know how me go clean up so much.
Group snipe, chat. Group snipe, y'all. Group snipe, chat.
I don't know how me go clean it up for my body.
Snipe, y'all.
Nice, snipe.
What we doing?
Watch them. Cute. Bad. Anger. Wanda Nubian badness. Diva. Jerk Queen. Show them. Cute up, blue top. Angle bangle. What me can use?
MVP, Rita, Jess, Chaka, Kendra, Shea Beauty, Sarita, Kristen, Gorgeous Lee, KY, Unruly. Everybody in here tapping, sharing live out, y'all. Thank you so much.
Me fi beard with the vinegar. So me not go stink of vinegar. When me done this a tree.
Yeah, let's do it. All right, y'all. Well, we're gonna do this game, y'all.
Oh yeah, good job.
Remember, we got 212 people in here, chat. We got 212 people here, y'all. If everybody taps the screen 10 times, it's 3 points per person, y'all. 3 free points per person, y'all. Let's get taps up. We can at least get taps. Taps, y'all. Taps.
Me have look fabulous.
Kim, thank you for sharing. AJ, thank you. Everybody should be tapping, y'all. Chill.
Never gonna use the fab. Alias, I listen. I'll. Panic ground, I'll.
Sparks. Thank you for the
But
follow.
the gorilla.
Sarita Pruitt, thank you for the hair. Appreciate that. Khandy, why you frozen? She frozen, y'all. Y'all think she Khandy frozen. Elite, thank you for the follow. Appreciate that.
Guys, when I see me, guys. Who's sick like that? I can't bother with it now.
Had Khandy Wagwan Khandy.
Oh. Little job is.
Wagwan, you wanna play
The
that? Go down.
rain, man. The rain. The rain a fuck me up, dog.
Please.
The rain a fuck me up.
What is she?
When I see
What is she
me,
saying? What is she saying?
Khandy, can you go down, Khandy? I'm not hearing you. Oh, internet problem.
Andy, Candy, disconnect.
Oh, wait, you disconnect.
Candy, disconnect.
no yet. Jaja.
Disconnect.
When I see me, guys. When I see me now. They yelling at her. When I see me now. Oh my God. Who them I yell at me? All right, my baby. Good girl.
What is she saying?
Khandy, can you go down, Khandy?